Now here's what the inside looks like. Oh my god. Hello people, this is Anime Girl 8792 coming from the future. So I collab with my friends to do a first impression, get ready with me review, whatnot with the Beaute Paradise collection. But the only problem was we didn't have an indoor filming location. My place was far away, his place was far away. So we chose to do outside, and only problem, outside noise is hard to erase and edit down. So I mute his whole process and put a music thing. So you will watch his eye look musically. I can say that my friend is great with the beauty term tutorial. Only problem, he needs to not block his eye makeup with the palette. I have my friend here, and
hello.
And we're gonna do a get ready with me with these palettes.
Yes. I have the Beaute Classical Paradise. Says the Classical Paradise palette is a part of our Paradise collection. It features 12 colors that can be used to create timeless looks. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest, smoothest application and the most excellent color payoff. Ooh, okay, just opening it right now. I like the screen of it because it's all 2D, but then these two flowers right here and the emblem and other parts are 3D. Okay, okay, I'm happy I picked this palette because your boy's melanated, and these are, of course, colors that I'm already obsessed with. Wow. I was very happy with this palette. I did like the summer array I was able to obtain from this.
So I hope you enjoy that. But first, welcome back to me. Here's Blossom Passion mirror, and look at this pretty pinky goodness. It's very pigmented, unlike the color one. I was expecting a lot of fallout, but this doesn't have much fallout. So let's start with this color. The only thing on my eyes is the MAC primer. I'm using this color as a transition, and the brush I'm using is from an eye kit from BH Cosmetic. I can't tell you the number because I use it too much to the point that the number rub off. This is my everyday look. I usually don't do tutorial because it's the same look with different color. Blendiness, from the corner to the end. I'm gonna use this color, arrows, and put it in between. I guess I could put it in my crease. You can wet this brush too to make it more sparkly. Put this in my crease, go back into it, put it in my crease. And now I'm gonna go into Peony, this pretty pinky color, sparkly baby, and put it on my lid. It's all dry, no water. You can do anything with this. Put it on the lid to my corner of my eye. Same one, put it on the eye. As you can see that I did on my eyes. The color is very pigmented. There's not a lot of fallout. There is, but not a lot, to the point that you wasted a pen. I hope you enjoy my mini look. Now, goodbye.